On Tuesday afternoon, Lebanon faced a shocking attack as Hezbollah's pagers exploded across the country, killing 9 and injuring nearly 3,000. The chaos began in Beirut, with witnesses recounting the terrifying moment smoke billowed from pockets, followed by blasts in public spaces. Hezbollah blames Israel, but the real mystery lies in how these secure devices were compromised. Some speculate a supply chain tampering, while others suggest a remote trigger via text. This unprecedented breach not only devastates Hezbollah's communication but also targets innocent civilians, including the sons of prominent MPs and even Iran's ambassador. As tensions rise between Hezbollah and Israel, the world watches closely, fearing a broader conflict could erupt.